Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green beans from seed. First, select a sunny spot in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Green beans thrive in well-draining soil with a pH level between 6.0 and 7.0. Before planting, enrich your soil by incorporating a few inches of compost or aged manure to provide essential nutrients for healthy growth. Once the danger of the last frost has completely passed, you can plant your green bean seeds directly into the garden. Sow the seeds about 1 inch deep and approximately 3 inches apart within each row. If you're planting multiple rows, ensure they are spaced 18 to 24 inches apart. This spacing allows for proper air circulation and ample room for your plants to grow and produce abundant yields. Consistent watering is crucial for healthy green bean plants. Aim to provide about 1 inch of water per week, especially during the critical flowering and pod development stages. Applying a layer of mulch around your plants will help retain soil moisture and effectively suppress weeds. For pole bean varieties, remember to install stakes or trellises early on to give them the necessary support for climbing. You can begin harvesting your green beans when the pods are typically 4 to 6 inches long and feel firm and tender. Picking regularly, every 2 to 3 days, is key as it encourages the plants to produce more beans throughout the growing season. Enjoy your freshly picked green beans. They are delicious steamed, sautéed, or incorporated into a wide variety of your favorite culinary dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.